Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am over here at the local park near the house. I'm going to be bashing the Arrma Senton V3 on 3S. Oh, I lost steering. What happened? I'm not getting any steering. I got gas though. Well, I don't got gas. I got throttle. Let's see what's going on. Oh, there's a piece of rock stuck in there. Check it out. All I gotta do is remove it. Alright, got the rock out. Back in business. Whoa, that was a sweet jump over here. There's like a little bank right here. So since I can't jump that, I might as well jump this. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, it's kicking up a whole lot of dirt. Thank goodness it's kind of windy. Oh, dude, I ran into that. Oh, it's so hard to film and drive at the same time. Let's try. Hopefully we get it this time. Oh my goodness. Let's try that again. That was awesome. Yeah. Oh, get it. Arrma tough, baby. Oh. Climb, baby, climb. Oh my goodness, picking up so much dirt. That is so crazy. Here we go. Oh, it's running out of juice. No, guys. I'm having so much fun. It's running out of juice. Here we go. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh. No. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? I think the slipper clutch. I'm pretty sure it's a slipper clutch. Alright, so I got the truck all cleaned up from the dirt and stuff, and let's take it apart and see what's going on with the slipper. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the inside. There it is. And this is how you know this is the version 3 Senton, because you got this adjustable mesh right here. The old power module, there's like indicating holes that would line up the gears to the spur gear. So I think you're only allowed like 15 tooth, 20 tooth, and 26 tooth on the old one. With this one, you have these adjustable mesh here for you to put any size gear you want. I think the max is 26, but you could start with like 15 and then like 16, 17, 18 and so on. So pretty cool how the version 3 has this adjustable mesh stuff. But yeah, anyways, this is how it looks like on the inside. Here's the slipper clutch. I'll show you more of this in a minute, but yeah, this truck was super duper easy to work on. Super easy. You just remove the center shaft, and then you remove this thing here, which goes right here, the strap brace or bracket. That thing comes off, and then the whole power module, you just lift this tab and pull it out, which is, this thing here, this tab. So this tab is in here like that. Just lift this whole thing and pull it out, and then you get this whole module. So far the motor, pinion, they seem okay. So it's the slipper clutch that I'm worried about. Oh yeah, look. Dang, this thing is super duper loose. See if I could fix this. Hopefully this would tighten up. I don't know how this got so loose. Look, I tightened it up and it's still loose. I think this slipper unit in here is broken. Dang. Well, that suck. Right, so here's the slipper clutch taken apart. This looked pretty bad. Yeah, this one's already breaking, this shield part. The spur gear looks okay. And this side seemed okay. I don't know. I'm gonna put everything back together and I don't know, try to figure out what's going on. Cause right now it's just, the only thing I can think of is this thing that's making it slip because it's not tightening up all the way. Well, I'm gonna put it back together and tighten it up, see how it is. Alright guys, so I think I found a solution. So this shield here, it's destroyed. It's supposed to go right here on this thing. But since it's so weak and it bends so easily, it got destroyed when I tightened up the slipper. So I found something else that works. And this thing is nice and tight now, like nice and tight, like really tight. It's not slipping anymore. So this thing here is basically a shield from my skateboard bearing. So it goes in there with the bearing. And I have a bunch of these and I saved it from my skateboard. And because it's metal, it actually worked. Check it out. So now this thing is pushing against the metal, which then pulls this thing onto the slipper and it acts like a disc brake. So now it's nice and tight. Awesome. So I'm gonna put this back in the truck and then we'll test it from there. So putting this back is like super easy, guys. So the slipper clutch goes into there. I've already done my mesh adjustment, so I don't really have to adjust anything. Mesh adjustment's already there. Put the cap back on. Put the screws back in. And then you want to slide the module in. Once the module is in, You want to put back on this battery strap bracket thing, and then you put in the center drive shaft and you're basically done. So let's do that. All right, time to test this thing. So I put together the truck. Yeah, let's just test this thing. It doesn't seem like it's slipping anymore. Wow, the power. Dude, I think it might have been better than normal. It's not slipping, it goes. This thing freaking goes. Let's do another drive-by. Whoa. If this thing had a gyro in it, it would be super awesome. Because this thing is going. I can't believe this Mickey Mouse DIY job actually worked. Man, that is smooth. Oh, what's going on? Something happened there for a moment. It didn't want to go. It was like cogging or something. And this thing is kicking up a whole lot of dirt. Yeah, the system is cogging. So every time I spin out and I'm rolling backwards like that, I can't go forward until it comes to a complete stop, kind of. Dang, that's freaking awesome. Wow, that's a whole lot of dust. Ooh. Dude, it's not slipping. I think it's too tight because I'm like constantly spinning out really easy. I can easily drift with this. Yeah, the slipper is too tight. I'll adjust that later, but for now it's really fun, guys. This DIY thing that I did with the skateboard bearing shield, it actually worked. Look at that. Dude, this thing is going. Yeah, the slipper is way too tight. I'll do that some other time, but for now, back in action. Alright guys, I don't want to make the video any longer, but that's basically it, guys. I'm really satisfied with the DIY Mickey Mouse job that I did. You guys should give that a thumbs down if you want, but hey, it works for me. And I'm gonna do some more fine tuning to get this even better. But for now, that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.